Put cornstarch cookies in hot water and you'll be amazed. In a pan, I'll add 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of butter to mix in. I'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar to mix the ingredients even more. Now I'll add 300 grams of cornstarch cookies. I'll mix everything very well until it reaches this consistency. Then transfer it to a large bowl. Next, I'll add 1/2 cup of pre-melted chocolate. And I'll mix the ingredients thoroughly. Once it looks like this, I'll transfer it to a metal pan lined with parchment paper. And I'll spread it evenly, just like this. Now I'll take it to the fridge for 30 minutes. Next, I'll add 2.5 liters of milk to a pan. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And I'll mix the ingredients well. I'll also add 1 cup of heavy cream. After that, folks, I'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'll mix the ingredients thoroughly again. Now I'll divide the mixture into 2 large bowls. Be careful not to spill the mixture, it's very hot. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of chocolate powder to one of the bowls. To mix the ingredients well in that bowl and set it aside for later. After the time in the fridge, I'll need a plastic bottle. And I'll cut it in half, just like I'm doing here. Now that it's cut, I'll place it in the middle of the metal pan. After that, I'll start adding the mixtures on top of it, alternating between them to create a pattern. I'll remove the bottle from the center of the recipe and continue adding the rest of the mixture in the same way. With a stick, I'll create a design on top of the recipe, like this. Then I'll take it to the fridge again for 4 hours. After that time, I'll place a plate on top of the recipe to flip it over and remove it from the metal pan. And just like that, it's ready. Now slice a piece and enjoy today's dessert. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.